All right, we're at the Omni Homestead in Hot Springs, Virginia.
With permission, we are getting a look at this Westbrook elevator. Let's take a ride. This is probably one of the newest Westbrooks I've ever seen. All right, we're going to go up to 4 and let's listen to the motor. Send it down to C, please. Door closes when we push the button. We like that. Listen to this. This thing runs incredible. And here we are back down at the sea level. A big thank you to the fine staff member that brought us back here to see this awesome old Westbrook elevator. That will be it. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.